Hi everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what our Advent kit is all about. So inside the Advent kit, you are going to get 25 cute little parcels. So you get a little card here explaining all about it, and this card's going to give you a bit of a sneaky idea of what the theme of the kit is. And you also get your 25 presents, starting with number 1 and all the way down to number 25. So number 2, 3, 4. Every parcel, every day there is a parcel to open, and you open these every day leading up to Christmas, so that Christmas is not just for the kids and counting down. Mums and nanas and grandmas and aunties and everyone can also enjoy this fun kit. So let me just tell you a few things about it. So as I said, each kit contains all brand new Uniquely Creative product. It is all product we have never shown you before, and you are going to be able to make cards, scrapbooking layouts. If you like stamping and colouring, you'll be able to do that too. So we feel like this kit is going to suit everybody, and you open one little present every day leading up to Christmas, which is really exciting. If you do buy a kit and you do choose to open them all straight away, please don't share with anybody else. Let them have the surprise. And we just cannot wait for you to see what is in this kit, and December is going to be really exciting. These kits are going to ship on the 8th of November. Hopefully we might be able to get them out a little bit earlier, but that is the goal, to get them all out by the 8th of November. There is lots of inspiration in magazines and ideas and things that you can do with this kit as well. So, but once these kits are sold, that is it, they are sold. Thank you so much guys, hope you enjoy this. You can jump over to our website now, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Bye.